Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vritti Bajaj from Bajaj Dental and Aesthetic Studio, Greater Noida West. I have been asked a lot of times that can we delay this treatment? Here are the answers to whatever questions people raise every now and then to me. So a lot of people think that putting off their dental treatment is a very harmless kind of thing. But in real, I think it's not. There are several problems that are involved with the same. Naming a few would be small cavities can be least expensive in getting treated, but moreover, people wait for pain to occur. जब दर्द होगा तब डेंटिस्ट को दिखा देंगे, but unfortunately, it's not the truth. So to understand what is the truth, we need to come across a basic dental anatomy, the anatomy of the tooth. The outermost layer of the tooth, that is called the enamel. Second layer is called the dentine, and the third layer, which is the pulp, which has all the nerve endings. Hence, the pain only occurs when the cavity has reached to a space which involves the nerves, that is the pulp. First and the second layer, that is enamel and dentine respectively, are absolutely painless because they are dead cells, and the cavity in that particular area is absolutely pain free. But that doesn't mean that there has to be any kind of delay in the treatment, because the bacteria that grows in that enamel actually is getting transferred to the live tissues, to the gums, and to other body parts as well. Small problems do not stay small for long. A tiny filling can convert into extractions and implants in mere time span of maybe 6 months, because untreated cavities is basically bacterial growth which keeps multiplying with time. Then dentist बहुत expensive होते हैं, but dentist expensive तभी होते हैं जब ignorance होती है. Definitely the expense also increases because the time, the effort of the dentist and yours is increased with every passing day. Hence, delaying the treatment is going to cost heavy on your pocket as well. So, dentistry is not expensive, ignorance is definitely. So, ये तो बात हुई सिर्फ बैक्टीरियाज की जो कि टूथ के अंदर हम लोग देख रहे हैं. Now, coming on to what does these bacteria do once they spread to a lot and lot of tissues surrounding the teeth. That is your jaw, your sinuses, in blood streams, and in rare cases it can also be life threatening. Dental cavities, these bacteria have been linked with diabetes, pregnancy complications, heart diseases, etc. So, as we all say in every video of ours, oral health is definitely linked with your overall health. Do not think that mouth is a different organ. It is just the door to your entire body. If it is clean, there are a lot of chances that your body will survive most of the things, or will be free from a lot of unhealthy problems and other diseases that may occur inside your body. Coming on to the bone of the jaw, which is very important to hold the tooth, to chew, and for your facial aesthetics as well. With time, if these bacteria grows into the jaw, these jaw actually lose the bone health, and the bone of the jaw starts getting recede. Once it starts getting recede, it is impossible or very difficult to get itself back. And even if we try to do it, it is very expensive. So do not delay your treatments, and also save the bone so that your facial aesthetics and your eating habits are also secure. Do not ignore any kind of problems regarding your oral health, because firstly, definitely the bacterial growth leads to so many things that we've already discussed, and second most important thing is oral cancers are on rise, and ignoring a single ulcer, a non-healing ulcer, can also lead to life-threatening issues such as oral cancers. So early screening, early detection of any kind of problems can secure you from a lot of problems that may go ahead and be life threatening or can cost a lot to your pocket. Thank you and stay safe.